boy Mothupi. Today we are going to be doing something amazing. So what's going to happen is that we're going to head over to the Forex King's offices and we're going to see what's happening out there, because we got invited that we should pull through, and we decided that okay, no, let us land and step feet there and see what's happening. So that's what you should be expecting. So I'll be documenting down my journey, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm expecting my brother here soon. So yeah, we're just doing our thing, Here we are. Shasha.
We entering the Mlanja. Yeah, we are entering the Pandagits who is the representing in Java. Today let me do my thing, man. Because we are the next big thing, man. The next big thing. Big shots. Not Africa.
That's coming. You are the next one.
Next one, not in Africa, man. The world, man. All
over continent after continent. Thank you. Thumbs up.
No, we know you, my guy. We recognize you. We recognize you. We recognize you.
Lesiba. Yeah.
Tell them we are waiting for.
Yeah, I know what's happening. So now we're waiting for doctor. There's somebody behind here, but yeah, we're waiting for him just so everything we get there at the same time and everything. But like the most important thing is for us to be able to be together. So the last time we saw traffic cops and people,
Hey, my brothers, how's it, man? Represent here, man. Power. See me, chat. No rule, they see me, chat. Only a man at a time. No rules, they can see me. Oh, no rules, they can see me, chat. In the umbrella. Man, you wanna greet me? Represent here, man. What's happening there? Hey, what's happening, Rep? Shaya! Power, man. Power. brother. How's it, man? Yeah, number one. Over to tell
from July to December. What cars are we going to give away? We're going to give away 2 Golf 7 GTIs. So obviously,
everything we're with the traders here. Everything is sorted.
did you get 250?
Hey Belly, represent the Monja. Belly. Yeah.
Foi tocar uma lifting house e 3 milhões de Amazon. Não, aquele que não puxou lá, tem. Que milhão? Que milhão tem? Você